Hi, this is Robert Long with Lincoln City Park and Rec, and today I thought I'd take you behind the scenes and show you some of the stuff that we have to keep these pools running. So here we have the main power supply for the building. It's all our fuses, emergency shut off. This powers the whole building here. Okay, here we have a high efficiency gas boiler. This heats all the water in the building and heats our pools. Okay, and here, this is where all the magic happens, keeping these pools up and running. We'll go over here. This is our sand filter for the spa. This will backwash this every week, keep everything clean. It's our chlorinator for the spa. Our controls. And my control is telling me that the chlorine is a little bit high in the spa right at this moment. So that's something I can come in and adjust. We do that throughout the day. The sand filter for this small pool, this we backwash at least once a week. So we'll come over here. These are our chlorine hoppers. This is for the large pool and the small pool. We got our controls for the large pool. And then we have our UV system for the large pool. And these help in the sanitation of the pool water. And then over here, this is our filter pit for the large pool. Now, we'll backwash this as used in the pool. So, summertime when it's busy, it could happen every week. Wintertime, it could go 2 to 3 weeks before we have to backwash it. But we all, we judge it on bather load. And then down below here, down there we have all the pumps. We got the large pool pump, the spa pump, the small pool, the slide. That's a confined space. So to enter our confined space, we have to harness up, fill out our permit, 2 people, go down, work on the equipment. We have to go down there at least every other day to clean out filter baskets. So right here is where we do our chemical test. Even though our controllers will tell us, what the readings are, we test it by hand, and we do that 5 times a day. And we keep it logged, and so many times a year the health department comes out and checks our records to make sure that we're doing everything right. And I gotta say, I've been here 17 years and we've never had an incident with our chemicals in our pools. We're all proud of here. Our pools here, we have 250,000 gallons of water. Our spa, it turns over every hour. Our small pool, that water will turn over. All of it will go out, all of it will come back in a couple hours. Our large pool, 24 hours. All that water will be out of the pool and back in the pool, going through those filters. So, now you know when our pool breaks down, there's a lot of stuff back there. And it doesn't take us long to figure out what's going on and get back online. Okay, this is Bob Zilla, Robert Long, signing off.